Hello and welcome to Inside Africa, where we bring you trending updates in Africa. Senator John Azuta Mbata from Rivers State is now the 13th President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. Ohanaeze Ndigbo is an Igbo socio-cultural organization in Nigeria, founded in 1976 with its headquarters in Park Avenue, Enugu. The following are the member states of Ohanaeze Ndigbo: Abia, Anambra, Delta, Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and Rivers State. The group aims to represent the interests of all Igbo communities within and outside Nigeria. Recall that on 25th July 2024, the former President General of the organization passed away, which gave rise to the need for a successor. Following the conclusion of the election that happened on 10th January 2023 in Enugu, Senator John Azuta Mbata emerged as the 13th President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. The election process was conducted via voice voting, and alongside Senator John, 15 other individuals were elected to various executive positions within the organization. The new Ohanaeze President General is a distinguished former senator representing River East Senatorial District, and many believe that this will further unify the Igbo indigenous communities spread across the old eastern states, including Benue State. We are confident that under his leadership, Ohanaeze Ndigbo will continue to thrive and make significant strides for the Igbo nation. We say congratulations to you, sir. As you enjoy the rest of the video, please do us a favor, hit the subscription and like button, share across all platforms.
The summary is that failing to unite leaves us prone as a single arrow. Standing as a unit imbues us with the resilience of the entire stack. Let us be like a stack of arrows. I have no doubt that everyone in this room will love to see Ohanaeze Ndigbo attain a bigger clout as the champion of Igbo interests.